again. It's a rich thing.
Hira Mani is considered to be one of the most versatile actresses in the Pakistani drama industry who can handle every role with great skill and ease. Right now her debut song Sawari in Kashmir Beats Season 1 is the center of attention on social media. Hira Mani entered the world of showbiz after marrying actor Salman Saqib Sheikh and got married at a very young age. And today they have made their mark in almost every field. And at the moment, she is also counted in the list of the highest paid actresses. Hira Mani is an actress as well as a humorous girl who is always in a humorous mood. If a fellow actress sits next to her, she will not feel bored. And looking at her fitness and health, you will want her to be like that. Here we will tell you that she has been married for 13 years. It still looks like young girls. After giving birth to 2 sons, Hira Mani wants Allah Almighty to bless their house with a daughter, and let his brothers have a sister and let his family be complete. But in today's article, we will see Hira Mani sweeping the house together with her sons because she does not have a daughter. But there is nothing wrong with that if the son does it. So let's see the beautiful pictures of Hira Mani and her son Ibrahim together.